Hello learners. Today we'll discuss the example for star to delta or delta to star transformation. So let us have the example in the network shown in figure below. Determine the resistance between terminal A and B. The number represents the respective resistance in ohm. Okay, so let us draw the diagram first. Okay, 12 ohm, 14 ohm, 20 by 3 ohm, 12 ohm, 8 ohm, 4 ohm. Okay, so we have to find out the total resistance between terminal A and B. As you can see here, there is a delta connection. Here also it is a delta. So first we will convert this delta DEF into star connection. So we know the formula to convert delta into star. R1 is equal to R12 R31 divided by R12 plus R23 plus R31. Okay. Now here let us say, or let us take this triangle DEF here. So here let us draw this over here, DEF, putting the value of resistor 12, 4 and 8. So now solving this, we can get RD equals to RDE into RDF divided by RDE plus REF plus RDF. So it is DE is 12 into 8, the whole divided by 12 plus 4 plus 8. So it is 96 divided by 24 will give us 4 ohm. So RD equals to 4 ohm. Same way RE equals to RDE REF upon RDE plus REF plus RDF, which is equal to DE is 12 into 4 divided by the whole summation is giving us 24. So it would be 48 upon 24, which is equals to 2 ohm. So RE is 2 ohm. Same way, DF equals to RDF into REF upon RDE plus REF plus RDF. So RDF is 8 into EF is 4 divided by 24. So it is giving 32 divided by 24. Okay, so it will give me 4 upon 3. So we got the value of RD, RE and RF. So this delta will become star like this. Okay, so here we have to put the value of RD, RE and RF. Now solving this we'll get okay. So here 12, 32, 32, 32, 14, 20 by 3. Okay, so here we will put the value of RD, RE and RF. So if you look clearly, this is in series, this is also in series and this is also in series. So since it is in series, it would be 12 plus 4 equals to 16 ohm, 14 plus 2 equals to 16 ohm and 20 by 3 plus 4 by 3 equals to 24 by 3, that's equals to 8 ohm. Okay, so this star will now simplify us here 32, 32, 32 star star star. Here the value is 16, then 16 and 8. Now we will convert this star into delta. So to have star to delta, we have formula R12 is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R1 into R2 upon R3, isn't it? So same way we can apply here also. For here it would be R AB equals to 16 plus 16 into 16 divided by 8. So it will give me the result 64 ohm. Okay. Next, same way, R BC equals to 16 plus 8 plus 16 into 8 divided by 16, which will give me the result 32 ohm. Next, R AC equals to 16 A and C. So it is 16 plus 8 plus 16 into 8 divided by 16. That is again give me the 32 ohms. So this star has been converted into delta. So the circuit will be simplified as A, B, C. 32, 32, 32. Here we have 64 and 32 and 32. So if you look closely, then it would be like two resistors connected in parallel. Two resistors this two resistor connected in parallel. So A, B and C. So 32, 64, 32, 32, 32, 32. Okay. Now solving this 32, 64 in parallel, that is R1 into R2 divided by R1 plus R2, R1 into R2 divided by R1 plus R2, R1 into R2 plus R1 by R2. We will get R AB equals to 32 into 64 divided by 32 plus 64. Okay. Now here it will give, so here it would be if we go with is 96, 32 into 64 is 2048. That will be divided by 96 will give me 21.33 ohm. Same way for this terminal RBC, 32 into 32 divided by 32 plus 32, that's equal to 32 into 32 divided by 2 times of 32. So this 64. Okay, so this will give me the value 32 into 32 divided by 64. It is giving the value of 16 ohm. Same way for AC equals to 32 into 32 divided by 32 plus 32. It will give me the 16 ohm. So my circuit will be simplified as like this: simple delta A B C. Okay, now here is 21.33, this is 16 ohm, and this is 16 ohm. Now we have to find out the total resistance between terminal A and B. So if you look clearly, this two would be, this 60 ohm and 60 ohm would be in a series with series connection and parallel with 21.33. So this 60 ohm will be in series and this combination will be parallel with 21.33. So the resistance between terminal A and B is 21.33 parallel series combination of 16 and 16. So it will give me 21.33 into 32 divided by 21.33 plus 32. So you can see 21.33 into 32 is 682.56 divided by 21.33 plus 32 is 53.33. So 682.56 divided by 53.33 will give me the answer 12.79 ohm. So our answer is our AB is 12.79 ohm. So this is how you have to solve your example related to delta star and star delta transformation. If you have any doubts, write it in the comment section, and if you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day.